Have you seen one of those videos online where a company takes a brand new pair of white shoes and they dump chocolate syrup all over them? Then they spend the next several hours with their products spraying and foaming, and brushing, spraying and foaming and brushing, repeat and repeat and repeat. You forgot to put a tarp down. Now the floor's a mess. Well, that seems to work well for sneakerheads, but what about the rest of us? With work and school and kids and dinner, we want to have clean shoes too, but we don't have the hours to obsess over them. That's why we created SneakERASERS Soak. This is the easy, no hassle way of cleaning your entire shoe. A question has been popping up with customers. SneakERASERS sponges work so well in cleaning soles and smooth materials on shoes, but what about mesh uppers? The solution? SneakERASERS Soak. We've been perfecting a formula that is specific to shoes. This has actually been years in the making. And when we create a new product, we have two rules. One, it's gotta work. And two, it's gotta be simpler than anything else out there. SneakERASERS Soak prolongs the life of your shoes. Some people give up when their shoes look like this. Others damage their shoes by beating them up in the washer. Soak is simple. Just add a scoop to lukewarm water and submerge your shoes. I like to soak while I sleep. Let the formula do its magic overnight. Not only does Soak remove dirt, grime, and stains, but any funky odors. Not that I have any funky odors, but you might. In the morning, just rinse with lukewarm water. And that's the perfect time to use a SneakERASERS sponge to remove scuffs from soles or any other extra tough marks on your shoes. And then, just let air dry. Soak works on all types of shoes. Everyday shoes, running shoes, training shoes. But not your sensitive suede shoes, you don't want to get those wet. Don't be crazy. I find myself using Soak often on my 3-year-old daughter's shoes. I don't know how she gets those things so gross. But I do know that using Soak means that we're not forced into buying her new shoes every month. So next time you find yourself with nasty shoes, or your favorite white pair gets a mark or two, don't freak out, don't trash them, just soak them. Restore your shoes with SneakERASERS Soak, the easy, no hassle shoe cleaner for your entire shoe.